G'day guys, Liam Fitzpatrick here. School holiday, so as you can see, my son's super keen down there to catch a few fish, inspecting that stormed water drain. You know, we're down Coolangatta, family holiday time, so the boy and I are going to do a bit of a run and gun vlog around the Tweed. It's going to hit land-based spots, Rockwall, marinas, bridges, all that sort of stuff this morning, just chasing brim. And then this afternoon we're going to head up the top of the system, try for a few bass, so it should be a bit of fun, eh? Here we go. Alright, Blaze is running a 1/20th rig brim prawn. I'm just running one unweighted. See what they want. Come throwing down here. Gotta be careful, you don't want to hit any ropes, but just sort of try and do a little out that way. I landed in that shit. Oh, he's looking at it. There's a brim followed it. Oh, mine. He just drifted out and followed it down, but he's a decent fish too, eh? He just nosed out and followed it down. Bastard. Oh, I think he hit it. I just didn't see it in the line. Yep. Oh! Ah! Yep. Yep. Come back and ate it again. What the hell is this thing? Oh, bit me off. It was like a big cooter or something. Big long silver thing. Did you see it?
No, I didn't get it.
It's like a big, it had to be a big cooter. Just like skip up under that cat. He clunked it, man.
Was it the same one that hit it twice?
I don't know. It could have been because they're aggressive little bastards, but could have easily been a pack of them. Oh, I got to re-rig.
Made it actually. Oh,
Yeah, it bit me off, yeah. Took my lure. Good old white BPs. Unweighted, just on that worm hook. Alright, that was the first spot, just a little back of the boats there at the marina. I had a decent brim follow the bait down and hooked a barracuda or something crazy, bit me off, but we're going to make a little move to the bridge pylons around here and try our luck there. If you didn't mind getting wet feet, man, we could walk right out to that edge. It's going to be a bit shallow for us, see. Oh yeah, little Floody took it. Just come out of those rocks. Look at that. Giant lizard, 3 metre flatty. First one of the morning. Stay that little unweighted. BP 50. Alright, here we just got a little public jetty. Public access. Gonna have a flick here. Gonna probably drop the crab down now. Got a heavy crank crab tied on, so I'll give that a run. One fish on the board so far, big flathead. That's about it. So you can cast anything here really. Just sort of work the drop-offs, try and get it near a pole. Oh, he had it. Oh, he followed it up. I ripped it out of there. There was about 3 or 4 brim going after it. Here they come. Oh, big guy. Just drop it. Just throw towards that shadow line and let it go straight down. Just in here. They swum out from away from there. Yeah, man, there's a couple there. This is the bait that normally gets the bites like that, but it's not easy to fish. That's why I rigged up with that weighted setup. You just got to fish it slow, eh? If you don't think you're fishing it slow enough, fish it slower. Like this, I've just got to let it sink. But yours should be, get it to the bottom, they followed it down, and then they'll just want to pick it up eventually. They get the smell of it. Oh, he had it! I didn't think he had it, man. This wind's killing me. It was in his mouth the whole bloody time. It just blows that so hardcore. If you get the bite now, you'll see that bait just disappear. You'll be like, oh, where'd it go? Nah, that wind's killing me. Oh, there's a fish looking at it. Man. Can't believe I missed it. Like 2 of those had it in his mouth. See if they want the crab, eh? So bring the flactor. Dirty dogs, son, dirty dogs. And then a little flick off the edge. You gotta be careful sometimes, you drag it when it hits that timber and it buries just in the corner of that timber. Might have to come back here later, eh? And the tide's moved a bit. Try those sneaky buggers again.
Heaps.
Heap of brim. Once they see you though, they wise up. Oh, you idiot. Oh shit! I'm on. Ah! Oh!
What was that?
Big brim, man, right in that gap. Ah! Be careful, but if you can go just off that corner and let it drift down in that shade, sneakily and quietly. And if you do hook up, you got to be ready to do that. Get your rod in the water. Just stay like that. Stop. Cut back. Your shadow's going too far. Just lob it up to the corner. What a dog. Yes. Oh no. He's not huge. He's a fish. Oh man, I'll take that. First brim of the morning, just ate that unweighted BP aqua. Only a little guy. I hooked something much bigger down in that gap before, but that's a good start. Run and gun, land-based brim. That'll do. Alright, I've made a move from that last little public jetty. Just come to the Fingal Rockwall side, and there's an old bit of structure just out here behind me. It hopefully has a real big brim sitting on it. I'm gonna let Blaze get a cast in there and see if you can't get roasted. You get in there, yeah? Yeah, get a little pop. You're gonna, because it's all rocky and weedy here. Yeah, bring it up. Try and go a little wide. What's that tide doing? I thought that tide's coming in by now. I think it is still running out. Something dead around here, man. Something real dead. Oh, now I can see a brim on that corner. How did he not eat that? There was dead set one that flashed right in under that front corner. Oh man, this is gonna be the death cast and a half. Nah. Too smart for me. Alright, so we're just down at one of these little cut-ins near one of the boat ramps. You can see that little rock wall behind me over that way. There'll be fish sitting on that. It's going to get these little BP aquas right up against that. Hopefully get a couple brim. What do you reckon? Throw at the side of it somewhere. Oh, I missed one, Blaze. Took off with it. And again. There's some around it. Yep. Only a little guy. We're gonna have a look at that lagoon thing, eh? We just stopped to get fish and chips, and there is a horse brim sitting at the back of this fish and chip joint. I'm gonna quickly throw this unweighted BP down there and see what he does. Where is he? Is a big guy near it? He knows this trick. Too smart for me. Come on. Traffic lights suck. Dude, come on. Any luck, mate? Yeah? Good go. All right, this is that Arvo session. I didn't quite make it up to the fresh to chase some bass. My son Blaze, he's found a few girls up in the pool back at the hotel, so he ain't coming back out. I'm just gonna hit this lagoon here at the back of Twin Towns. Just gonna keep throwing that unweighted BP50. Hopefully get a couple brim in here. I'll make my way out to that front wall, just the northern wall here on the Tweed River, and yeah, see if we can't get a couple. That sun's fading fast, man, so see if we can't get a couple more. Bit of snotweed floating through the system. Look at that for a sunset though. That's mad. Just gonna work this bait, skip it across the top, draw the attention of any fish, and then just let it sink. Just shallow along this rock wall. It's gonna power fish, man. I don't have a lot of time left. Just gotta rush. I don't like fishing in a rush, but there's a heap of snotweed floating around. Look at that. One cast, man. It's just snots. Oh, a little stingray. Oh, what was that fish? Oh, a big ludric or something. It could be something. Oh, something swirled up on it. What is that? Mullet. I think they're mullet. You'd be surprised how good these unweighted baits cast. If you got no breed. Oh, what is that? If that's mullet, man, they're good mullet. Every now and then you'll get a mullet to eat one of these baits. Put it on his head. Like, as much as mullet just eat algae and scum and stuff. I've caught them on lures before. To be honest, I'll take anything at this stage of the day. As soon as I get out the front here, I'm going to have to change weights. Put on a standard jig head. Something that'll get down. No, haven't seen a fish, man. Come on. It's got to be a brim here. Oh, there's brim down there. I can see them. Come on, give me one. Oh, come on. Oh, there's brim down there, man. Oh, I can see them swimming in that shit. Oh, what is that thing? That thing is huge, man. That's a big sea toad. That is huge, dude. Wow, come on, man. Running out of light here fast. That's what a fishing license pays for. Signage, better facilities, fisheries enforcement. We'll get one in Queensland one day. That's a day running and gunning the Tweed River. We had fun. He had heaps of fun, man. He loves flicking with his old man. He loved it. If it weren't for those girls in the pool, there was no way he was coming back out anyway. But that's it. If you liked it, subscribe, put comment, like, all that cool stuff. Just watching, guys. We'll catch you next time. Mother flippin' fish.